This is the official CutefishOS Reborn website, where you can find a Debian-based build and a Ubuntu-based beta build. I'll be using the build that's based on Ubuntu. At first, I wanted to make a video on PearOS Nice Core, which looks very similar to macOS, but for some reason I couldn't get it installed properly, so I can record it. The installer kept crashing on its last phase. No matter what virtual machine specs or settings that I used, I'll make a video on it when I find a fix or a workaround for this issue. Install setup is similar to other Ubuntu-based distros. It's very simplified and straightforward. These are the virtual machine specs. It's been installed successfully. Reboot, remove the install media, and that's it. Here's the desktop. NeoFetch is not installed. Make sure to install it first before running the command. Here's the OS and system info. When changing display resolution or scale, make sure to re-log so UI elements can display correctly. Overall desktop theme is customizable, alongside a pack of minimalist wallpapers. Some of them look like alternate versions of Windows 11 wallpapers. These are the apps and tools that come pre-installed. It comes with WPS Office instead of LibreOffice. Even though it's not a lightweight distro, RAM usage is very low for a modern operating system. But it does take up some disk space, almost as the regular Ubuntu. A simple file manager, same as other Ubuntu-based distros. Drag and drop package installer. Mozilla Firefox is the default web browser. To summarize it, CutefishOS is Ubuntu, with pre-installed and preset macOS like theme layout.